On today's agenda, I'm going to be sealing off the cabin, finding any area where there is daylight coming in and making sure that no rain or bugs or anything would be able to enter therein. And this is where I'm at, just out here in the jungle by myself. No neighbors, just me, nature. This bird was following the drone around. So I followed the bird to see if it wanted to be friends, and it did not want to be friends. So there's that. And once again, this is the view, but let's go ahead and get to work. First order of business was to install this final window in the back, but it won't fit in the slot, so I'll figure something else out. Moving right along, I'll just go ahead and frame out the rest of the windows that I do have installed and get them to, be sealed off. And now I'll head outside, that way I can screw in the boards to the ply sheets that I have installed. So I did catch it a little bit too late. It was real nice how the rain was hitting on the glass in front there, but this is my view when it rains. Come on and climb this ladder with me so I can show you what the view is like from up here. And that would be it for now.